Welcome to Love Garden Care. I'm going to reveal a surprisingly simple secret that delivers incredible results for your Anthurium. With just a few everyday kitchen ingredients, you can make a natural mixture that boosts your Anthurium's energy, making the leaves glossy and encouraging continuous blooms. If you're looking for a way to strengthen your plant, help it recover quickly, and bloom all year long with zero chemicals, then this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's dive into this amazing plant care secret right now. Now I'm doing a full check on the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Looking closely, I notice several dry leaves, discolored foliage, a few wilted stems, and especially the leaves crowding together, making it difficult for the plant to breathe and receive enough light. These weak areas not only hinder the growth of healthy parts, but also create conditions for mold and pests to accumulate, especially in humid environments. Which country are you watching from? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet highly effective plant care tips. Removing the damaged parts and the overcrowded leaves is a small but essential step, helping the plant become more ventilated, healthier, and ready to absorb all the nutrients we're about to provide. Now I'm going to use rice, a simple kitchen ingredient that works amazingly well for Anthurium care. First, I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar to prepare the nutrient mixture. Next, I pour 1 liter of boiling water into the jar and stir thoroughly to release the starch and natural nutrients from the rice. Rice water is rich in B vitamins, minerals, and natural compounds that stimulate strong root growth, boost the plant's immunity, enhance beneficial microorganisms, and help the leaves become greener while keeping the flowers fresh longer. After stirring, I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes so it can cool down completely before use. The second ingredient I'm using is coffee powder, a familiar kitchen item that contains excellent nutrients for helping Anthuriums grow vigorously. I take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and place it into a clean jar. Then pour in 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir so the coffee mixes evenly. Using boiling water helps extract nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals more effectively from the coffee powder, while also making the mixture more sterile and safer for the plant. Next, I let the mixture soak for about 30 minutes to allow the nutrients in the coffee to fully dissolve into the water. After soaking the rice for 30 minutes, I stir it again to release any remaining nutrients from the grains into the water. Next, I filter out the rice grains and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This filtering step prevents residue from clogging the roots or creating conditions for mold to develop. Proper filtering also makes the solution cleaner, easier to use, and safer for the plant. I then add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the rice extract. Diluting the mixture makes it gentler and prevents shock when watering or misting the leaves. This mild solution is ideal for ornamental plants like Anthurium, as their roots are sensitive and require a balanced nutrient intake. With the diluted mixture, we now have a natural, safe, and easily absorbable nutrient solution for the plant. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad, dip it into the freshly diluted rice solution, and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just a simple cleaning step, it's like a skincare treatment for the leaves. Wiping them with rice water removes dust, bacteria, and tiny pests, allowing the leaves to breathe better and improving photosynthesis. Rice water is rich in B vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that can penetrate the leaf surface, making the foliage shinier, deeper green, and naturally stronger. The natural compounds in rice water can also help reduce mild pests such as aphids or light fungal spots on the leaves. Which country are you watching from? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet highly effective plant care tips. Regular leaf cleaning with rice solution keeps the plant healthy and makes the foliage brighter, enhancing the beauty of your Anthurium in your living space. Step 2. Spray the nutrient-rich rice solution over the entire plant. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the remaining rice solution into a clean spray ball. Next, I mist the entire Anthurium, its leaves, stems, and any exposed roots. Spraying rice solution allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through its leaves, providing more complete nourishment. Rice water contains B vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and natural starch, which strengthen the plant, restore leaf tissue, and improve photosynthesis. Its mild acidity and natural compounds help inhibit bacteria and fungi, reducing leaf spots and rot issues. Even misting distributes nutrients to new shoots and growing tips, encouraging faster, shinier, and healthier leaf growth. This method nourishes the Anthurium from the roots, while also beautifying it from the outside, keeping the plant fresh and radiant. After 30 minutes of soaking, the coffee powder releases essential oils, antioxidants, and light minerals that are highly beneficial for the plant's growth. Before straining, I stir the mixture again to make sure all the nutrients are fully dissolved into the water. Then, using a strainer, I pour the coffee mixture directly through it, filtering the liquid straight into the remaining rice solution. This method allows the two solutions to blend fully while retaining all nutrients from both the coffee and the rice water. This natural combination creates an excellent biofertilizer. Chemical-free, non-toxic, highly nutritious, and very plant-friendly. After mixing the coffee extract with the rice solution, I pour the entire freshly prepared mixture into a clean kettle to make watering easier. Next, I water the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium with this mixture. This mixture delivers essential nutrients to the roots. Rice water provides starch and B vitamins, while coffee adds potassium and nitrogen, key elements for strong root growth. When the roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, the plant grows faster, becomes stronger, and recovers more effectively. Regularly applying this mixture loosens the substrate, increases organic matter, and balances beneficial microorganisms, preventing root diseases and promoting sustainable growth. When the root system is healthy, the Anthurium produces new shoots, deeper green leaves, and blooms more often. Next, I soak the entire root ball in the freshly mixed solution for about 10 minutes to allow deeper nutrient absorption. After soaking the plant in the nutrient mixture for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and place it in an area with diffused light. This is soft, indirect natural light, ideally under shade or filtered through a curtain. Step 4. I wipe off any remaining water on the leaves to protect them and effectively prevent diseases. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently dry the entire leaf surface, especially the leaf crevices where water tends to accumulate. Regularly drying the leaves reduces the risk of fungal spots, mealybugs, and leaf rot, common problems in humid environments. When the leaves are dry, the plant photosynthesizes better, breathes more easily, and avoids unsightly stains or white spots left behind by evaporating water. After wiping, I place the plant in diffused light with gentle airflow, so the leaves can dry naturally, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With just rice and coffee, we've created a natural care solution that keeps Anthuriums healthy, vibrant, and blooming beautifully. Anthuriums symbolize resilience and good fortune, bringing a bright, positive energy into your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural plant care tips. See you in the next one.